breaking news. MK Party has approached the Pietermaritzburg High Court to deal with the things that are happening in the KZN. We'll talk about that in this video. There's a video that I'm gonna be I will insert, so you'll have to watch out for this video. But let's give also credit to the journalist that there's this article written. Look at news. What it's called, Scroller. MK Party challenges as a KZN Premier Speaker and Deputy Speaker in court. Right? They then said it was written by Usihle Mavuso. You just wanna follow that, or you can follow him on Twitter as well. His name is Sihle Mavuso. Right. Umkhonto says the political party has started another legal battle in KwaZulu-Natal after it announced its intention to challenge the result on Friday's sitting of the provincial legislature. The party led by former President Jacob Zuma wants the Pietermaritzburg High Court to set aside the elections of the IFP Thulani Ntuli as a new premier. It also wants the court to set aside the election of Nontobeko Boss from the ANC as the speaker and Mtembe. I can't see that name. Then Tembe from the DA as the deputy speaker. One of the party's MK leader, member of the provincial legislature, Dr. Gwazi Mbanjwa, a former advisor to Zuma, confirmed to Scroller on the sidelines of Ntuli's inauguration that a legal process is underway. That's the video that I'm about to share with you as well. Okay, let's continue reading a bit here. We've already read that one. Mbanjwa said their battle hanged on 2 points: the secrecy of the voting process and the fact that there were no observers during the vote count. He says the voting process was not a secret as it was supposed to be. And some MPs showed others how they voted. That was a breach of secrecy because it was a secret ballot, Mbanjwa said. Scroller Africa learned from sources in the EFF that the MK Party is lobbying it to join the court battle. However, the Red Party is not keen to join the battle as it has no formal coalition pact with the MK Party, even though it voted with it on Friday. Okay. So we're gonna go through the letter that the video that I spoke about. It is quite evidence. It is quite interesting, and it is therefore everybody can see it for what it is. People are very scared of Jacob Zuma. People are very scared of MK Party. They are trying by all means to hasten processes, and in the process they are breaking the law because they are hastening processes and they are trying to get to the finishing line as best as possible. We are also on the journey to get to the finishing line, and that's why you need to do this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, so I'm about to show you the video that you need to listen, or you must listen, right? It's gonna be an interesting video. At the end of the day, it's one of the most interesting video that you need to listen to. But I want you to listen, because the man who spoke about the legal thing, I have the video there on, so I'm gonna allow him to say it. Please listen to the man. He's speaking very nicely, so there's no reason for you not to listen to him very nicely. Please listen to the man very attentively, and then you will then come to the comment section below. You will then tell me what you have heard from the man. But I want to ask you a very good question, I think, according to me. What do you make about this whole thing of how they are handling everything? For me, I'm seeing people who are very keen to let's quickly do everything so that this MK party and EFF does not interrupt us. That's what I'm seeing. What have you observed, when and in your own capacity? What have you observed? But remember, I promised you that video. Remember, I promised you that you will see this video. Well, let's place this video here.
Maybe to give the background,
yes.
The people of KwaZulu-Natal have mandated the MK party to lead the province.
Yes.
As you could see there.
The numbers, 37 seats out of 8.
So on Friday, we went for voting for the Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, and the Premier.
Yes.
But now our problem is that it was captured even on some clips, and a lot of video clips to show people that some other members there, they were coming in, voting and showing their votes to other people.
Mm-hmm.
So, and that is a breach of the secrecy, because that was a secret ballot.
Yes.
So that is our problem, because we reported it there, we complained there and then, but this is not right what is happening. And then the Secretary of the Legislature tried to intervene, but it was just like she was wasting her time, because they continued like that. That is the first one.
Yes.
And the second one, when they were going to do the counting, we requested that we be part, all the party agents, not just the MK,
yes,
to be part
of the counting process.
The counting process.
Yes.
And then the judge said no, but according to the rules, that is not allowed. But at the same time, there was a message where Chief Justice himself condoned that. He said no, that is unconstitutional. So the constitutional way is to actually go and observe what is happening. So he allowed it at the Parliament in Cape Town. So we're saying no, but please, can you call him, Chief Justice, and check what is actually doing? And then she refused. Then they were counting that corner. So now we don't know what was going on there. So hence, those are the two major challenges, that we're not allowed to go and observe during the counting process, and two, the secrecy code was breached. So basically, that's it. The one of the seat is neither here nor there, but those two is something that you observe.
So you want the Peter Marisbeck High Court to set aside this process?
Yes, because it was not done in a proper way. Basically, that is all.
Okay, have you filed the papers? If not, when can the public or members of the MK expect you to file them?
No, WAP is working on the papers right now as I'm talking to you. WAP is working on them, because we wanted to do them earlier, but it couldn't. The time was so limited. Yeah. So, and yesterday, after the holiday, we were trying to work. We couldn't get some other people, but WAP is with the papers now. Hopefully, they'll be in by tomorrow or the next day.
All right. With that being said, we are also, at the same time, we're still waiting for the Electoral Court to tell us, Uguti, what is going to happen, or when are they willing to hear a MK party on the matters that they've just on the matters that they've just produced, on the case that they launched with the Electoral Court. But another thing that it's worth noticing is the fact that, have you noticed that the MK party guys We were told that this is the most violent party. They will resort in this violent manner. But MK party, they are like, no, Tina will fight you through courts. Have you noticed that? Because, look, Tina, we were informed and we were told, oh, these people are very violent. These people will burn the country. You know what I'm saying? They are anarchists. A lot was said about MK Party, clever blacks listening to News 24 telling us that if there's no coalition between DA and ANC, the rand will crash. Right now, has the rand recovered? Right? About Daily Maverick, some of their journalists were writing that there is no way that they can. There's no way that the DA must look at the DA. Look, there's no way that the ANC must work with the MK and Watwati. It's a disruption. It will kill the country. They need the market need ANC and DTA. Here, Batum, we vote. The market decide who's the president. What was the point of voting for the president then? Like, please explain this to me. What was the point of the local voting? It really doesn't make any logical sense whatsoever. But you're gonna have to tell me in the comment section below, what do you make about this new legal that is brewing in KZN? And I can tell you this is going to happen. Because it's not going to happen. It's already happening. An MK party has changed its not changed, but yeah, I like their approach in how they are going to attack matters. It's very mature. It's very interesting to watch, and these ones who were so against MK party, they are now eating humble pies because MK party decided that we're not going to follow these people. We're going to follow our own path, and I like that for MK party. What have you have to say about this? See you guys on the next video. But until such a time, please take care.